Hello everyone. I have selected the 5 best drones on AliExpress. If you want to learn more about these products or purchase them, then especially for you, I left links to all products in the description under the video, as well as in the attached comments. Moving to the top 5, the 5th place is taken by the new KY907 Pro Mini drone. This drone is designed for aerial videos and photos. It supports live streaming, 12MP high-resolution images and 4K video shoot. You can connect the drone to your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi and control the camera up to 100 meters away. The drone has a 3-speed mode, low, medium and high, so that it can fly smoothly based on your skill level. It features a foldable arm, making it compact in size and easy to carry. It has a high hold mode function to provide stable flight. With its Wi-Fi function, it can be connected to app and APK system to take pictures, video and transfer pictures in real time through the camera of the mobile phone. With orbital flight mode, you can easily select the flight route you need. Take pictures simply with gestures. Choose from 2 cameras including a 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera, which can shoot a variety of high-definition pictures and videos. In headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Anti-interference adopts 4 GHz technology. With 4 channels, you can raise, lower, forward, backward, left hand, right hand and 360 degrees scrolling. In 4th place, new quadcopter E88 Pro. About this drone: 4K HD camera and FPV function. QON Mini selfie drone equipped with 90 degrees adjustable 4K HD camera, which can broaden your views and record every unforgettable moment in your life. Meanwhile, with advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. User-friendly and designed for beginner, just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Other functions, like headless mode, speed adjustment functions, altitude hold mode, hand gesture photo, and video. Best choice with enough fun for beginners. GPS auto return and follow me. Equipped with GPS positioning, the drone can automatically follow the pilots. When it is losing signal or power, or you press one key return, it will then fly back to takeoff point automatically. Beside, you will have an easy start with functions like altitude hold, headless mode, get worry-free flight and have better shots. Multiple fun flight. After improving several times, QON is a versatile drone, can perform stunts like 360 degrees flip, high-speed rotation and etc. And you can draw a route on the app screen and the hover drone will fly following the path accordingly. Last but not least, there are 3 ratio options available to meet all kinds of needs. You can have fun with this mini foldable drone. Foldable design and green gift. Foldable blades with a gift box design make this quadcopter drone small. You can take it anywhere you like. More user-friendly design. It comes with a detailed manual that provides accurate instructions about the function and usage of this HD drone. In 3rd place is the Turkel S11 Pro drone. The Turkel S11 Pro drone is a decent low-cost HD camera drone that comes with some cool features. This drone is suitable for most people and is easy to fly. It has a 1080p camera with a wide-angle lens and comes with FPV capability. The foldable and flexible blades make the drone small and portable, which provides a better and safer flying experience, and can be taken anywhere. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our service team. We are always here to help you. Draw a flight path on the screen. The drone will fly autonomously in the specified direction. The LS11 Pro is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, which is lightweight and durable. The Turkel S11 Pro has a Wi-Fi function. You can connect the app, APK system to take photos, record videos, and transmit real-time images through the mobile phone camera. High-definition aerial quadcopter with foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With the altitude hold function, the flight can be stable. LS11 Pro has 2 cameras to choose from. Using a 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera can provide a wide range of high-definition images and videos. With headless mode, there is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. The one-touch return feature makes it easy to find your way back. The high-definition aerial quadcopter uses 4 GHz anti-jamming technology, with 4 360 channels for up, down, forward, backward, fly left, fly right, and roll. It has 3 levels of switching the flight speed, which can make the flight more interesting. The 2nd place went to new mini drone S89 Pro. About this drone: easy to carry, with a foldable arm. The structure is compact, and it is easy to carry when going out. Wi-Fi connection. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to app and APK system to take pictures and videos, and transmit images in real time through the mobile phone camera. 4K HD. Use 4K wide-angle camera to provide massive HD pictures and videos. One key return home. With one key return function, you can easily find your way home. The altitude hold mode function can provide stable flight. Route planning. Draw a flight on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the designated direction. Flight time, 15 minutes. Remote control distance, 100 meters. And in the first place is the new GPS drone KF102. About this drone: adjustable 4K 2-axis gimbal camera. This drone's for adults equipped with stable 2-axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 4K HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. Stable GPS RTH. GPS positioning and auto return function prevent your 4K drone lose in any situation. Automatically fly back, even fly out of control, lost signal and low battery. Easy operation. With one key auto takeoff and one key auto land button, this camera drone can be easily operated to start and stop. And combined with the considerate icons on the app, this drone becomes more simple to access even for drone beginners. Endless fun in app control. With GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, Tap Fly, the FVP drone can shoot stable aerial shots. With carrying case, it is much more convenient to carry while traveling. Powerful brushless motor and long flight time. The drones with camera for adults 4K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. The package comes with two 7.4 volts 2200 mAh batteries which can provide about 50 minutes flight time. I remind you that links to all products in this video are in the description under the video and in the attached comments. If you liked this video then like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch my other videos. Also write in the comments what you think about this top. It will be very interesting for me to read your opinion. Thanks for watching.